Cold Arctic air is coming into Michiana. That's why we have first alert weather days for Friday, for Saturday, and for Sunday. Cold conditions, those wind chill temperatures dropping significantly for today and into the weekend. Let's look at a difference between the air temperature, that's the top number, and the wind chill temperature, that's the bottom number. And notice there's a large difference between the two. Air temperatures for the day sticking in the mid-20s. Now wind chill temperatures just in the lower teens, getting down at times into the single digits there, going overnight, especially into tomorrow morning. Very, very cold temperatures again tomorrow. Tomorrow is likely going to be the coldest of the 3 days we have for first alert weather days. Coldest day tomorrow, as you're seeing those single digits 7 and 9 early in the morning, early hours tomorrow morning. Very cold temperatures, and again, a big difference between the air temperature and the wind chill temperature because of the windy conditions that we have around. For today, we're seeing those wind gusts above 20, at times at 25 miles per hour. Then going into tomorrow, that's the same story. A little bit lighter for the morning and evening hours, but still above 20 miles per hour for most of the day for tomorrow as well. So those wind gusts bringing those cold wind chill temperatures into Michiana. Now let's take a look at the wind for the next 3 days. I know we just talked about those wind gusts. The winds are sustained at about 15 miles per hour for the next 3 days. But the importance here is actually the wind direction. That's because of lake effect snow that we've been seeing for today. You're seeing today west-northwest winds. That's what's allowing the wind, the air to come over the lake, pick up moisture and drop it over northern Michiana, parts of Michigan, mostly into southwest Michigan right now. And then for tomorrow, we're actually seeing that lake effect snow chance depleting because of the winds coming more out of the south than they are out of the north, not going over the lake, not allowing for that moisture pickup like we see today. Then Sunday again, west-northwest are allowing for some more lake effect snow chances on Sunday as that air moves over the lake and allows for more moisture to come onto land. Future track here starting today midday. We're seeing cloud cover. We're seeing some snow, of course, in the northern parts of Michiana, as we've been first alerting you to since we talked about this lake effect snow. Continuing to go into Friday, you're seeing more of that snow continuing into Saturday. Saturday morning, there will be some more lake effect snow, but mostly in the afternoon and evening hours, that moves out. You're seeing just cloud cover there for Saturday. And then going into Sunday, some more lake effect snow comes back around, still mostly sticking in northern Michiana, north of US 20 for that lake effect snow that comes back around Sunday and goes into Monday as well. Let's take a look at what we're expecting for the lake effect snow amounts for Thursday night into Friday. That's when we're expecting the most of that. Obviously, that was last night going into today. So this is what we're expecting for those amounts. Of course, more northern, we're seeing more amounts, 4 to 6 for parts of northern Cass County. Then below that, that lighter blue, 2 to 4. Below that, the lightest blue, 1 to 3. And then some parts of northern Indiana, South Bend, Elkhart into Michigan City. You're seeing there just some trace to 1. Now let's take a look at our Deck the Halls graphic. This is because, you know, Thanksgiving was yesterday, and usually people love to decorate right after Thanksgiving. Now this one's for outside, so all those lights are red because it is too cold first alert weather days to be outside, but I think it's a good idea to decorate inside for today.
I think so. If you don't have the Christmas tree up by now, you should maybe consider doing it. I know that's our question.